This is another row technique to help motion at the radiocarpal joint. This time we're going to use a closed chain approach to facilitate wrist flexion. So we need, again, to stabilize our proximal carpal row via the scaphoid tubercle and the pisiform, which I will stabilize on this cuff weight. I will then pre-position my patient in as much as flexion as they possibly can go. And I'm going to remember to respect the declination, the volar declination of the radius. So I need to calculate an extra 10 degrees. So I know that 90 plus 10 should give me, so I need to push in a direction of 90 degrees plus 10. And I can do so with the palm of my hand here. I don't need to grasp her. So I can then provide a volar glide of the radius on the proximal carpal row, which is the same as providing dorsal glide of the carpal row on the radius. So this is how we can do this here. We can perform oscillation at end range, at end of the glide, or a static hold for 40 seconds and repeat that 6 times. That was with one preposition, which is the main preposition is flexion, as this is what we're trying to re-establish. Another dimension is also to add a carpal pronation. Now, because we're doing a closed chain technique, carpal pronation is the same as doing radial supination. So that's how we're going to add this this carpal dimension here, the rotation dimension, by supinating the form. So we're going to first perform our glide, so 90 degrees plus 10 degrees glide. And again here, this additional dimension is a curved glide because we don't want to overload the joint. You cannot maintain this position of rotation. It's a rhythmic performance. And we're going to perform that with a large radius of rotation to avoid over-torquing the capsule. So 90 plus 10, glide, and then with my shoulder, by retracting my shoulder, I perform that little hint of carpal supination. I can repeat a few times, but I don't sustain that supination. It's a rhythm, and then I release my glide.